let's switch gears a little bit. And I want to talk to you about affiliates. And by the way, you would be excellent at coaching coaches how to do all of this because you have so much experience with the consumer that I feel like, you're really such a good person to hear from because you have your feet on the ground and you're in the trenches and you're doing the work and you know it's working. So I see you using some affiliate links. You don't go crazy on it, but things that you love that you want other people to know about. I do see you using some affiliate links. Can you talk to us about how those programs work from you, kind of what you expect from your affiliate partners and how best to use your affiliate promotions?
Yeah. First of all, I feel like if you are going to be an affiliate or partner, it has to be a product that you absolutely love. I think that people who have or do promote things just to promote them kind of ruin it for people like myself who are like, no, I actually will not share something with you unless if I love it. I might change my mind on something, right? Because as we grow, we learn more. I personally, so I do affiliates and partnerships. I do much better with partnerships just because I have so much going on. Having direction and timelines are really good for me. I'm somebody who's like, just tell me what to do and I will do it. Although you can actually make a lot more money doing affiliate marketing because you're making a percentage. So partners, like partnerships, they're giving you a lump sum to talk about their product and give your community a discount. Affiliates, you get a discount. There's not really a lot of like, you don't get what they call a brief. You don't get a brief of like, hey, you have to talk about these points. You get to share at your leisure. You get to do what you want for the most part and just include your link and code. You can technically make significantly more money as an affiliate than as a partner. But for me personally, with time management and my personality, I do really well with partnerships. So I know that partnerships, I think people think a little bit, I don't know, I feel like it's more frowned upon among the consumer because they're like, oh, you're just talking about this because you're getting paid. And it's like, no, whether I'm an affiliate or a partner, I'm going to get paid. But for my personality type, I need a deadline. I need somebody to tell me, these are the things that I want you to cover. This is what I want you to share. I love the product anyways. I just need you to tell me what and when, and then I'll do it. So,
and most likely you'd be talking about that product anyway, right? We talk about like you said, you show your personality, the things you do, your relatability throughout the day. So if you're like, I don't know, silly example, but if you're drinking a matcha in the morning and you love the matcha brand, you're going to be talking about it anyway. So why not have a partnership that's also going to help your business grow? There's no reason not to, right?
Yeah.
One of the podcasts that we did recently, we dove a little bit into affiliates. So I'd love to, offer my audience even more. But I think what a lot of affiliates being the company that somebody is affiliating for you, those people, those companies should be making it really easy for you, like giving you swipe files of their email campaigns, giving you swipe files of their social media stuff, giving you ideas and hooks and all that to talk about so that, it's really easy for you as an affiliate to promote their content. And if they're not doing that, then like you said, it's going to kind of get forgotten about, especially when you're promoting your own content as well. Thank you for watching this short clip. To watch or listen to this episode in its entirety, view the description below. See you next time.